Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to print a poster from a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is a fantastic feature when you need to scale up a document for display purposes, breaking it into multiple pages that you can assemble into one large poster. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, navigate to Recent Files where you'll see a list of documents you've worked with lately. From this list, select the PDF file you want to print as a poster. This opens the document and prepares it for editing and printing. Now, look at the upper left toolbar and click on Menu. A drop-down will appear with various options. From here, select Print. This opens the Print dialog box, which is where you'll configure all the settings needed to transform your PDF into a poster format. In the Print dialog, navigate to the Printer section. You'll see a drop-down menu beside it. Click on this drop-down and select Adobe PDF from the list of available printers. Choosing Adobe PDF as your printer allows you to save the output as a new PDF file rather than sending it directly to a physical printer, giving you more flexibility. Next, navigate to Pages to Print. Here you can select your preferred option, whether that's all pages, the current page, or a specific selected page. This lets you control exactly which parts of your document will be included in the poster output. Now comes the key step. Navigate to Page Sizing and Handling, and from the options available, select Poster. This is the setting that enables Adobe Acrobat to break your PDF into multiple tiles that can be assembled into a larger poster. After selecting Poster, navigate to Tile Scale. Here you can type your preferred tile scale percentage. This determines how much larger your poster will be compared to the original PDF size. Adjust this based on how big you want your final poster to be. Next, navigate to Overlap. You can customize this by typing a value in the field. This setting controls how much each tile overlaps with adjacent tiles, making it easier to align and assemble them later. Feel free to experiment with different numbers based on your needs. Before moving forward, check the box beside Cut Marks. These marks will appear on each printed tile, helping you align and trim the pages accurately when assembling your poster. Once all your settings are configured, click Print. A dialog box will appear asking you to select the folder where you want to save the file on your computer. Choose your preferred location. Finally, you can rename the file if needed to keep your files organized. After that, click Save. Your poster PDF will be created and saved to your chosen location, ready to be printed and assembled. And there you have it. You've successfully created a poster from your PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.